Here's the new update video for November 5th, 2012. On the Dow 30-day 1-minute chart, looks like we have at least the near the completion of an impulse. This will be wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3. And the 3 actually in the Dow was pretty close to 1.618, but my target was around 13,000, right around 13,000, and we hit 13,040. But the next move up was the 4th wave, which was exactly 0.382. So we got a 3, a 4, and then we're at a 5 down now. And the important thing is that the wave forward is exactly 0.382, which means this is a 5th wave down, which will likely be the end of an impulse, the end of a downward impulse. And within the 5th wave, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if we get a 5th wave down, there's a good chance that we might reverse in the next week to as high as around 13,400. There could be a big rally in the next by the end of this week, because this would be the end of an impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 0.382, 5 down, and within the 5th wave, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's just one little tiny 5th wave down left, and then I think there's a good chance that it could be a decent sized rally for the next probably the next few days, depending on how fast this 5th wave forms. For S&P, yeah, actually intraday the target was 13,103. We got to run 13,102 approximately. Actually, 13,101, which is right near 0.382. We're within 2 points of 0.382, which is good enough to qualify as a 4. For S&P, on the 30-day 1-minute chart, we have 1, 2, 3. The 4 was 0.382, a little more than 0.382, but this qualifies as a 4 after a 3 down, and we're at a 5th wave down. And within the 5th wave, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and so which means that there could be one more 5th wave down before a bigger reversal. And the highest target I have would be around 1445 if there's a 0.618 retracement. That would be the minimum target after 5 waves down complete an impulse. For Nasdaq, we got 3, 4, and 5, and Nasdaq's actually the strongest index by far. But intraday got a little bit over 0.32 within the 5th wave, 1, 2, 3, 4. But there's still a chance of one more 5th wave down to the close, so we might retest the lows again. But after we retest the lows, maybe a truncation, which might fall short of a 3rd wave. We can truncate here and then reverse. I can set up a move to as high as 3070 or 3060 in Nasdaq. And for NDX, we got 3, 4, and then 5 within the impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we might retest the lows and probably the highest target if we form a 5th wave down and reverse to be as high as 2740. And right now I have Apple. Where is it now? Yeah, I paid $590.22 for Apple and dropped about. I was down about 20 in the pre-market today. It went down to 570.20, which is 20 points from what I paid. But then we bounced in the pre-market. Based on, I think the Apple news came out that they sold almost twice as many, or maybe 50% more iPads than was expected this weekend, and it's rallying about 10 points, and I'm only down about 3 or 4 points now. But the worst thing that happened, well, the worst I was at was the pre-market. I was down about 20. Now I'm only down about 3 or 4, and I really think this could turn to a profit. And the highest target I have would be around 620 to 625 if we end up getting a 0.618 retracement of the move down from 654 to 571. So there's a good chance we get a full retracement. Actually at 575. We can get a full retracement back to around 620, 625, which could be a good sized profit from here. And it clearly looks like 5 waves down in Apple. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I think there's a good chance that we might get an upward 2 reversal in the coming days. That's a wrap.